Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Google Photos. First, confirm your device and Google account languages match your target. Open the Photos app and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Once done, tap Photos Settings or simply Settings if visible. This takes you into app-specific preferences. Make sure you stay signed into the same account you use for photos, because language inheritance comes from your Google account and device settings simultaneously. Now change the language that Google Photos actually uses. In Settings, look for General or Language and Region and select it. If Photos lacks this option, tap your profile and choose Manage your Google account, then Data and Personalization or Personal Info to find language. Pick your preferred language and save. Once saved, allow a minute for account sync. Photos will pull the new language from your Google account or device settings, so make sure both align. Finish by forcing Google Photos to refresh. Swipe it closed or use App Info to force stop, then reopen. If the new language doesn't show, restart your device to complete system-level changes and ensure account sync is active. Make sure the Photos app is updated. Open the App Store and install updates. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Google account or clear app cache. That often resolves lingering language or sync conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.